comforting than a big bowl of corn chowder. It's rich, creamy, filled with flavor. Let's get started.
Just a quick chop of my veggies and we start cooking. I have neutral oil heating up in a medium stock pot. Once it's hot, I add the onion, pepper, and celery. We're going to cook this over medium heat until the onions begin to soften. I then add the garlic and seasonings, which include thyme, smoky paprika, and a small amount of cayenne, which is optional, of course. I let this cook until it becomes fragrant, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. This recipe will be available in the description box below. And the broth goes in. Hey, if you're looking for an easy, free vegetable broth, check out my link in the description for the vegetable broth I make from kitchen scraps. I then add the potatoes and the corn. While this recipe would be fantastic with fresh corn cut off the cob, it works very well with frozen corn. This may surprise you, but frozen vegetables are often frozen at the peak of ripeness, which can make them flavorful and filled with nutrients. Finally, I add nutritional yeast, cover the soup, and allow to cook on a light simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. Add the coconut milk and blend. You can blend with either an immersion blender or a stand blender. The stand blender may make the soup creamier if that's your goal. I do like to keep the soup a bit chunky, so the immersion blender works fine for me. If you do use a stand blender, only fill the blender half full because hot liquids expand, and I don't want you to burn yourself.
Hey, if you're enjoying this content, please subscribe. It's free, and I can't grow without you.
I top this soup with an avocado crema, soy chorizo, and some croutons that I made. I hope you love it as much as I do.
I'm so excited to try the soup. I've had it before. I know it's amazing. Let's take a bite. It has such a good corn flavor. The tiniest bit of heat from that cayenne pepper. I could just keep eating this all day. Hey, if you love corn chowder, I bet you'd love this video for broccoli cheese soup.